Should you hire a local attorney to defend you in a drunk driving case? The short answer is it's not that simple. The reason is it is illegal to plea bargain drunk driving offenses in New Jersey. This means that just because I went to law school with the prosecutor or he and I play softball together on the weekends, it doesn't mean that I can walk into his local municipal court on a drunk driving case and he can give me a great deal. It doesn't work that way. What I have to do is I have to blow holes in his case, show that he has proof problems, show that the officer's testimony is going to have issues in terms of the field sobriety testing, that the Alcatest machine wasn't functioning properly, that the probable cause for the stop is in question. Once I can show the prosecutor that he has all these problems with his case, then he can give me the deal that I'm looking for. But just because you have a relationship with the local prosecutor and the judge isn't really going to help you as much in a DWI case. Not only can you visit my website for a free initial consultation, I also have a series of defense videos which tell you how potentially you can beat your case. My website is www.criminalLawyernNJ.com.